Actually, today I will try to mix English and Hindi uh, and try to present my opinion regarding this panel discussion. Uh, so, what is your name? Can I? What is your name? Bablu Mahato. Okay, Bablu Mahato is sitting over there. If I ask Bablu Mahato, can you go from your that particular chair to that particular chair that is residing in the corner? How to go there? How? What are the steps you will follow? Can you go straight, direct? No. I mean that if you draw a straight line, आप अगर आपको बोला जाता है कि आप इस चेयर पे बैठे हो, उस चेयर पे जाइए कोना वाला, तो आप स्ट्रेट जा सकते हो क्या? नहीं जा सकते हो क्योंकि बीच में ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है. बट दिस इज द शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ. आई मीन दैट सबसे छोटा पाथ है, डायगनली छोटा पाथ है. आप कैसे जाओगे? सीधा जाओगे, उसके बाद इधर से घूम के जाओगे क्या? नहीं जाओगे ना. So that is why this is the MSME. MSME is a one of the steps of Indian government of for reaching in what is the ultimate I mean that immediate global destination. The immediate global destination is the Viksit Bharat 2047. Okay. 2047 we government has set some target. I will be talking on that particular target. Before that, just 20% टाइम हम कोशिश करते हैं कुछ टेक्निकल बातें करने के लिए. तो मेरा सब्जेक्ट है मेरा वन ऑफ द डोमेन इज़ IoT. डू यू नो व्हाट इज़ IoT? IoT क्या है? इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. So Internet of Things can be a business topic or business area. Okay. So but what is the problem? Problem क्या है? Internet of Things में problem क्या है? So I have some data. Do you know? Do you know what is GDP? Total income or something like that. So GDP का इंडिया का जितना GDP है उनका 16% 16 to 18% आता है एग्रीकल्चर से. ठीक है, एग्रीकल्चर से आता है. उसमें 40 to 45 to 46% पीपल का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है. ठीक है, तो 46% लोग 16% पैसा इनकम कर रहा है. तो उसमें क्या है, जो अगर 16% पैसा को 46% पीपल का जो ये है डिवाइड करेंगे तो पर कैपिटा जो इनकम है बहुत लो है. जो मतलब जो ये है, तो दैट वी कैन IoT कैन बी ए गेम चेंजिंग, can be a game changer. You know what is game changer? Game changer is that can change the entire paradigm from one domain to the other, something like that. Okay. So but problem क्या है? Problem ये है कि we are very good in software by making website, making apps, making these things, that things, because this particular domain, IT industry has flourished in so many way in India. But problem is that there is a lack of semiconductor device or this kind of, I mean that your software will work on a particular device like a sensor. You need the sensor nodes to collect data from the field and to send that data to a particular uh, station. On that the software will work. अगर आपके पास वो जो सेमीकंडक्टर डिवाइस ही नहीं है, ये तो ये जो बिजनेस आइडिया है तब तक नहीं रन करेगा जब तक हम लोगों के पास उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग सेमीकंडक्टर से जुड़े हुए जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उससे भी इंडिया बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाए. तो क्या करना चाहिए? दिस इज द वन ऑफ द बेसिक और वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग problem in IoT domain, IoT in agriculture, but it is a huge market. If somebody can do that, अगर कोई कर सकते तो रातों रात मतलब एक बड़ा बिजनेसमैन मतलब लाइक ए टाटा बिरला अंबानी बन जाएगा. If somebody can make a very cheaper product of IoT in agriculture, somebody can develop, अगर आप लोगों से कोई डेवलप कर सके तो ये रातों रात बहुत अमीर बन जाएगा. बट इसका अल्टरनेट क्या हो सकता है? कुछ इंडस्ट्री ऑलरेडी है जो आईओटी इन एग्रीकल्चर पे काम कर रहा है. उसका एक सिस्टर, नॉट सिस्टर कंसर्न, उसका एक सहयोगी बन के आप लोग यू कैन डेवलप द एप्स, यू कैन डेवलप द website, you can develop that things, but believe me, at present we need some indigenous things, the complete product. Otherwise without complete product, only app बना के in this particular field कुछ होने का संभावना हमको तो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. और ये एक एरिया है जिसमें अपकमिंग डे में आफ्टर 5 और 10 ईयर्स बहुत सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, बहुत सारा लोग इसमें काम करेगा. इसी में आप लोगों में से ही कोई इसमें कुछ कैन सक्सीड इन फ्यूचर. ओके, सो देयर आर अनदर gaps that I can tell you, that is might be some not matching with this particular topic. That is we don't have any indigenous operating system. Okay, and हम लोगों का कोई इंडिजीनियस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है, इसीलिए हम लोगों का सिक्योरिटी का बहुत सारा इशू होता है. इंडिया का विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए इंडिजीनियस सॉफ्टवेयर होना चाहिए, और जो सोशल नेटवर्क हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं उसका हम लोगों का सब डेटा वो हम लोगों का जो उस कंट्री में है, जो they have all the data, all the activities you are doing in through the Google, through the WhatsApp or through the Facebook, so they are having all the data that belongs to you. So ये भी एक बड़ा क्षेत्र है जो आप लोग काम कर सकते हैं. Now this is the very small technical discussion, but I want to discuss something else that I don't know whether it will be relevant to you or not, but I think it is relevant for a very small businessman. Apart from the problem of आइडिया ऑफ बिजनेस का जो आइडिया है इसको छोड़ के और क्या है जो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है. अगर इफ यू कैन विन दैट चैलेंजेस, देन यू कैन बिकम ए वेरी गुड बिजनेसमैन और समथिंग वेरी like something like that. That is the how to deal with the failure. बिकॉज MSME और जो स्टार्टअप होता है, जो उसमें फेलियर का डर होता है, फेलियर का चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, एंड फेलियर में हाउ टू डील विद द फेलियर, दैट इज़ वेरी you have to know, you have to learn how to deal with that. So before discussing with failure, I would like to I'd like to tell some statistics. Uh, uh, First of all, United States total GDP is 30 trillion. India is the only 4 trillion. Okay, China is the 19 trillion. In Germany is a 4.8 trillion. India is a 4.3 trillion. Now just think, United States is a 30 trillion, we are in the 4.3 trillion, and our Viksit Bharat target is the 1947 30 trillion. Okay, so from 4.3 trillion to 30 trillion, it's a long journey. बट स्टिल ये जो लोग है, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स है, चाइना है, ये चुप नहीं बैठेगा, ये भी टाइम का हिसाब से ये आगे चला जाएगा. ठीक है. This particular kind of things, the 30 trillion economy on 2047, that can be achievable if people like you can be work in a correct direction. Why I am telling correct direction? Correct direction means what? Correct direction means that your name is sorry, I forget your name. Huh? Bablu Mahato. Bablu Mahato is a person. Suppose he loves to do some mathematics. He loves to do some does not love some other things like computer programming. If he wants to, if I force him to, Bablu, please join a software company, Bablu Mahato might fail. Okay, so everybody should try to know yourself. What is the meaning of know yourself? That try to know the correct direction of your talent, and you have to after knowing the talent, you have to set a goal. Goal is two types of goals as per my opinion. One is the global, next is the local. So what is the global goal? That Bablu Mahato को हम बोले हैं उस चेयर में जाने के लिए. That is the global goal. That Bablu Mahato can reach that particular chair. But Bablu Mahato cannot go to the straight direction because it is not so easy. He need to find out the optimum path. Optimum path क्या होता है? जिस path से हम लोग कम समय में, कम effort में you can go that. So each steps Bablu Mahato is going there, that is leading Bablu Mahato to reach over there. So that's the things, you have to maintain two goals always, and one is the global, that is the and another is the local. Local means that local goal can lead you the near to the global goal. Next things is that everybody is running after the success. Okay, we are all, I am also running after the success, you are also, everybody want to be a successful. That's the things. But have you आप लोग सोचे हैं कभी जे what is the definition should be the success? So one of the thumbs rule of the definition of the success is that when I teach to my class, I used to say, if you get a job, who will benefit it? Student used to say me and my family. I said बस हो गया. तो this is not the success. So आपका जो एम है, जो गोल है, जो सक्सेस, जो आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं, उसका एक लॉन्गेस्ट शेयर आपका सोसाइटी को, टू बी प्रिसाइज आपको कंट्री को जाना चाहिए. देन इज ओनली यू कैन यू एटलीस्ट आपका सोच ऐसा होना चाहिए. आपको जाए और नहीं जाए इसमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. आपका सोच ऐसा होना चाहिए, आपका कर्म ऐसा होना चाहिए. That is called the true success. Okay, आप करे but आपको ultimately success नहीं आया, then is also you are a successful guy. Okay, so that's the things. And next I would like to tell you some other uh, mm, statistics. That statistics define a nation is a successful nation or not. So for the Nobel Prize, United States, total approximate number of Nobel Prize till date is 423. Population is 341 million. In crore is 34 crore. Okay. United Kingdom is 143. Population in 6.9 crore. And in India, our population, 1.43 billion, 143 crore, and total number of Nobel Prize is 10 to 12. Okay, that is significantly low, because we all need the average solution. We want a job and we will be very we always try to stay in a very comfortable zone. Very comfortable zone. We don't try to struggle. We don't try to come out from the comfortable zone and try to new something that can lead our country successful. Suppose one football player start to play football by thinking in his mind that he need to get a job in the railway, but not he should he don't have any kind of aim that once India will play the World Cup and I will be the leading goal scorer and India will win that particular World Cup. Okay, this particular mentality, average mind, we should come out from that, our new generation, so that we can reach the Viksit Bharat and you people can lead us. And next is I can tell you, Olympic Games, United States till date 3,100 medals. 3,100 medals. Germany is 1,211 medals. It is the approximate. And India is only 41. And we are very proud feeling that our IT industry is very big, very large. We are earning so much money from the IT industry. GDP percentage is like that. It is 7.3 to 7.5%. This is nothing but we are the worker. I mean that, what to say? It is like a service sector. Service sector, you know what is service sector? Service sector means that we are giving service on behalf of the Google, on behalf of the Microsoft, on behalf of the some others company. Those mother actually they are the foreign company, foreign. So that is the things I just want to say, that you might be what is more needed for you, that is a जोश. जो जोश है उसको आइडिया तो आएगा, आपको बहुत सारा कोर्सेस होगा, बहुत सारा प्रोफेसर ऐसा बोलेगा तो आइडिया बहुत सारा होगा वो, बट जो जोश है, जो लगाव है, उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. और अगर आप ऐसा सोच होगा, जो हम जो कर रहा है वो देश के लिए कर रहा है, खुद के लिए भी कर रहा है, देश के लिए भी कर रहा है, तो आपका कंधों पे बोझ हल्का होगा. आपका जो फेलियर होगा, फेलियर में उतना दुख नहीं होगा, उसमें गर्व भी होगा. आप ट्राई किए देश के लिए कुछ करने के लिए, बट वो नहीं हो पाए. So next, that's the things I I wanted to complete my topic. This is basically a motivational lecture I wanted to give you. I will complete this lecture by a quotation that is given by Swami Vivekananda, that is arise, awake, stop not until the goal is reached. Arise, awake, stop not until the goal is reached. So you have to decide your goal first. So goal is the main things, because until you decide your goal, the global and global goal, where you want to reach, for the country, for yourself, for your family, for your society, then it would be difficult for you to reach, to do something big. Okay, thank you very much.